Hey guys, so today we're going to be working on the color schemes and paint schemes and things like that. So I'm super excited to see what you all create with this, and I'm super excited to see how it actually works within like the video game. So you all have chosen to do the race car, and so I think it's going to be awesome. It's going to be super cool, and I think you guys are going to love it. All right. So the first thing I need to say is if at any moment today you all need to, if I'm going too fast, pause the video. It's okay to pause it, stop, go back, do what you need to. I learned a ton of things through YouTube. So I learned how to build a rock wall, how to redo some of the things in my house. But let me tell you, even math you can learn on YouTube. But let me tell you, I have to pause those videos often, so that way I can make sure that I'm getting the information that I need. So it's okay to do that and to pause it, go do what you need to, and then come back. Okay. So your all's page should look something like this right here, right? This is where this video is right here. So this is your template, is what it's called, and this is from the iRacing website. So iRacing, it's a video game that NASCAR uses or does or something like that. So it's really cool. They use like all these different like mathematical laser scan things to create the tracks in the video games. It just sounds really awesome. But we have someone who has volunteered to help us. After we make our paint schemes or our color schemes, we will send them to him, and he's going to upload it into the video game so we can actually see what our paint schemes would look like on a real car. It's going to be awesome. But what we're going to need to do is you are going to scroll down to your template, and you're going to right click, okay? So you have two little buttons at the bottom of your mouse. You're going to right click, okay? When you do that, this little white box is going to pop up. You need to click where it says Save As, okay? You click that button, and you can just save it as whatever you want to. I'm just going to do the Camaro, okay? And it's going to do something similar to this. But then what you're going to do is I like to click on my Canvas tab, pull it down, or pull it away from other tabs that I have open. If you don't have any other tabs open, what you can do is open another tab, pull it down, and it's going to make like a whole new like browser. Okay, there's a purpose for this. All right. So after you do that, you're going to type in Google Draw. You're just going to click on the very first one that pops up. And it should look something like this. So once you're here, you're going to come over here to where it says Insert. Image, upload from your computer. Okay. Then you're going to find the Camaro or whatever you saved it as. Now it's going to put that image into your Google Draw, right? Into your cool little drawing plate, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my browser smaller because we have to make this color scheme, but we have some requirements we have to use with this color scheme, right? So I like to have it's called a split screen, so I can see what's behind my browser and what's in front of my browser, okay? So I can still have my Canvas page pulled up, and I can see all the requirements that are needed for this color scheme. Super cool, right? So I know that I need 4 obtuse angles. I would have to flip back and forth to find that checklist if I didn't have the split screen, okay? If you need help with doing the split screen, make sure you ask 3 people before me. Ask 3 people before me. If you are at home, you can always email me, and I can help you if you need help with that, okay? So now it's time to get to making. So what you're going to do today is you're going to just play around. See what tools are good, see what tools aren't very good. There's line tools, there's shape tools, all kinds of stuff. But I love what's called polyline, and I'm going to show you why. So this polyline, you can click up to, I think, 5 times. Let's see. Maybe more. But it allows you to make shapes. Let's try that again. Let's undo. Undo, undo, undo. Okay, let's click this button. Let's try one more time. So it allows you to make shapes, okay? So there we go. What I really love to do is I will trace like a shape. So if I want to fill in like the roof of this car with all one color, I can just trace around it with this polyline tool, and then I can come up here and I can change the color. Let's make it maroon, right? So I can use that polyline for that. But also, I can come up here and hit insert. I can go to image and I can search the web. So I can search the web for anything. So if you want your car to be sponsored by someone, you can search their logo. So let's search Incredibles logo. So I can click the Incredibles logo, come down here and click insert, and it's going to put that logo into my drawing. I can adjust that to the size I want. Adjust it again, right? So there's all kinds of things you can do like that. You don't have to have anyone sponsoring you, but if you want to, you can. Okay. So let me show you one more thing. So I'm going to move this shape over here underneath, like it's the hood. Let's just. Okay. So what I can do is, what if I want this maroon shape above my Incredibles logo, not label, logo, label, whatever. I moved it over. Now I'm going to come up here to arrange. I'm going to hit order, and I can send to front, so it comes in front of the logo, or I can hit arrange, order, and I can send it backwards, so it will go behind the logo. I can even send it all the way to back, but if I do that, it's going to go behind my template, and I can't really see it. So we don't usually want to do that, but there might be a reason. Who knows? Who knows? So friends, that's how you do all kinds of cool stuff on here. You just play around. So you shouldn't be asking a lot of questions just because you're just going to try to figure it out. That's the best part about art. It's just figuring stuff out, problem solving. But to save, all right, because you will have to upload a PDF version of this for me and to Canvas. So you're going to come up here and hit File, okay? You're going to scroll down to where it says Download, and you're going to go to PDF. When you do that, it automatically saves it for you. Yep, and it popped down here at the bottom. So if you want to name this, like if you want to name it, like Autumn Row, that's my name. Don't name it Autumn Row, that's mine. Then when I save it, I'm going to save it again a second time. It will have my name on it, okay? So then you'll come back to Canvas and you'll upload it just like any other regular art assignment. All right, friends, so just make sure that we're remembering to use our checklist of our math terms while you're doing this. I'll make sure to put up some references of what each of these look like. But make sure we're using those, and then upload your image for me, okay, what you created. So I can't wait to see what you make, and I can't wait to see how much problem solving is going to go on in your brains. But if you want anything, just let me know. Happy making!